Welcome to AutoCAD program. I'm going to start with the basic of AutoCAD 2020. Most of the versions of AutoCAD app would appear like this. First I'm going to start with the unit setup UN for unit setup. Architectural precision 0 inches or millimeter as you like it. Dimension style D. Modify, and then go to primary units. Primary units architectural. Set the precision to 0 inch horizontal and change the text height. Here go to text height at least 10 inch or 1 feet. Okay, set current and close. Now this seems disturbing to me, so I don't wish to keep it. Go to view, ECS icon on off. So take it off. I do not even need these graphs too, so press F7 to remove and press F7 to view it again. F7 again, and it will be appeared. It will appear again. F7. I don't know it. For any kinds of drawing, usually we start with the line tool. Here I'll go to home. Here is the line, polyline, circle, arc. Usually line. We can pick line from here, or we can use L, enter or spacebar. Then specify the initial point or first point. Then fix the orientation up, down, or angular, right, left. As we can see, this is going to any direction. If we want to limit the direction towards at right angled, then we should press F8, then it is oriented right angled. So I need 100 feet, 100, then enter. It is 100 inch, so 100 feet. Enter. As you can see, here is the line. Save it as practice 1. Then again we can either PL for polyline or L for line. I am going to draw P polyline, so PL, enter. Go up for 100 or 50 feet. Let's make a wall here, so offset it to offset. Here is the okay. First we can draw, then we can edit. Then PL for polyline, draw it. Draw something like this. As you can see, this is falling, but this one is not. We can join by fillet. Circle, we draw some geometric format. We do not need to draw any point. We can draw a circle. We can pick circle from the toolbar, or we can use C as default keyboard command for circle. C for circle. enter. There's the circle, then arc. Here many types of arcs are here. Start with the center, start center with angle, start with the center. Here's the arc we can draw. Then rectangle or REC for rectangle. We can draw rectangle. Then ellipse, we can pick or we can use keyboard command ellipse or ELLIPSE. We can type ellipse, then we can draw ellipse. So we have learned how to draw any line, polyline, circle, rectangle or arc, these geometric forms, geometric shapes. Have many types of points and circles are here, polylines, lines. Then we can start with the editing with these lines. Suppose we need to draw a wall here, then we can offset this line. Here is the modifier tool, offset. Here is the offset, copy, mirror, scale, rotate, trim, fillet, array. I usually do not use these tools. Okay, let's use keyboard shortcut O, enter, then type the amount I want to offset, 10 inch, then again enter or spacebar. Okay, here extra lines, I do not need these extra lines, so we can trim it. TR, trim, space, enter, and then again space double 2 times, then trim these lines. Offset this circle, offset up to 10 or 20 inch here. Then again trim, TR, double space, trim it, trim this too. Let's move this rectangle from one place to another. So aim, then select the object. As we can see, it is automatically leading us towards the command. Then enter, specify base point or end point. Here is the base point, then move it to the point I want to move to, then click, it is moved. Then if I want to mirror it, select the object and give a command of aim, enter, then specify the first point I want to mirror. Erase source object. No, I do not want to erase the source object, so just press enter, and if I want to erase, then press Y, then enter. So, and no, N, and enter. Okay, it is done. Extract, trim it, TR, enter, trimmed. I do not this, so trim this line too. See you next time.